Hey everybody, in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the CO2 cylinder on your SodaStream. I have the SodaStream One Touch here, but this is pretty universal for all SodaStream products or CO2 type sparkling water systems. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first step is to make sure the SodaStream's cord is unplugged and you do not have this thing powered to the wall. Next, you're just going to want to open up the back side by just grabbing it from the top, pushing down slightly, and giving it a pull. All right, as you can see, here's the CO2 cylinder. All you're gonna have to do is grab it and turn it counterclockwise. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, they say, and it'll unscrew, lift up the SodaStream, and there is your old cylinder. Now, when you get your new cylinder, you wanna make sure that the cap that it comes with is removed, as well as any wrapping that's around the threads. But all you're gonna wanna do is reverse the steps. So hold your SodaStream, bring your cylinder, feed it up through the bottom, make sure it's lined up to the threads. Carefully, slowly thread it to the right, clockwise until it's tight. Then take your back cover, insert it at the bottom first till it clicks, and then push it in like so. Well everyone, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to replace the CO2 cylinder on your SodaStream sparkling water machine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.